guys? Just want to let y'all know, new video up on the website. Actually, it's 2 new videos up. YouTube snatched the video down, gave me a strike. I wasn't able to upload all last week, but the new videos are on the website right now. Make sure you go over and check it out. I'm not going to be uploading for a while on YouTube, so make sure you get your subscription. And also, thanks to YouTube for the boost in membership over at Apocalypse 321. So they tried to block me, but the only thing that does is make people come over to the website, so appreciate that. So what you meant for evil for me, God meant for good. Praise y'all. So anyway, like I said, 2 new videos up. Make sure you go check them out. Make sure you support. Alright guys, y'all bless.